Hone your speech, recording and reviewing your introductions and conclusions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an incredibly helpful technique that can drastically improve your public speaking skills: recording and reviewing your speeches. We'll pay special attention to the introduction and conclusion parts, as they play crucial roles in any presentation or public speaking event. Let's begin by recognizing why introductions and conclusions matter so much. The introduction sets the stage for your entire speech. It's where you grab your audience's attention and spark their interest in what you're going to say. On the other hand, the conclusion wraps up your presentation, leaves a lasting impression, and reinforces the key points you've made throughout your speech. Now, let's talk about why recording your speech is a valuable exercise. 1. Self-awareness. Recording allows you to become more aware of your speaking style, including your tone, pace, and body language. 2. Feedback. It provides instant feedback. You can identify your strengths and areas needing improvement. 3. Progress tracking. It enables you to monitor your progress over time. Remember, when you listen to your recordings, do so with a critical but constructive mindset. When it comes to recording, it doesn't have to be complicated. You can use a smartphone or a computer with a microphone. The quality of the recording doesn't have to be professional grade. It should just be clear enough for you to hear and evaluate your speech. Here are some steps to record your speech. 1. Setup. Find a quiet place. Ensure your recording device is set up at an appropriate distance. 2. Speak naturally. Speak as if you're delivering the speech to a real audience. Include your introduction and conclusion. 3. Save the recording. Once done, save the recording with a name that includes the date for easy tracking. After recording comes the crucial part: reviewing. This is where you listen to your recording and analyze your performance. While reviewing, focus on your introduction and conclusion. For the introduction, ask yourself, did I capture the listener's attention? Was I clear about the topic and purpose of the speech? For the conclusion, consider, did I summarize my main points effectively? Did I leave the audience with a clear takeaway or call to action? Recording and reviewing your speeches, especially the introductions and conclusions, can be a powerful tool for improving your public speaking skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every step you take brings you closer to becoming a confident and persuasive speaker. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.